Konnichiwa guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn vocabulary chapter 8. Let's start. Hajime masho. Hansamu na, handsome. Kirei na, beautiful, clean. Shizuka na, quiet. Nigiyaka na, lively. Yumei na, famous. Shinsetsu na, kind. Genki na, healthy, cheerful. Hima na, free time. Benri na, convenient. Suteki na, fine, nice, wonderful. Oki, big, large. Chisai, small, little. Atarashi, new. Furui, old, not of age. Yoi, good. Warui, bad. Atsui, hot. Samui, cold, reference to temperature. Sumetai, cold, reference to touch. Muzukashi, difficult. Yasashi, easy. Takai, expensive, tall, high. Yasui, inexpensive. Hikui, low. Omoshiroi, interesting. Oishi, tasty, delicious. Isogashi, busy. Tanoshi, enjoyable. Shiroi, white. Kuroi, black. Akai, red. Aoi, blue. Sakura, cherry blossom. Yama, mountain. Machi, town, city. Tabemonu, food. Kuruma, car. Tokoro, place. Ryo, dormitory. Benkyo, study. Seikatsu, life. Oshigoto, work, business. Do, how. Donna, what kind of. Dore, which one. Totemo, very. Amari, not so, use as negative. Soshite, and, used to connect sentences. Dash, ga, dash, but. Ogenki desu ka? How are you? So desu ne. Well, let me see. Nihon no seikatsu ni naremashita ka? Have you got used to the life in Japan? Dash mo ippai ikaga desu ka? Want to have another cup of dash? Ie kekko desu. No, thank you. Mo dash desu ne. It's already dash. Soro soro shitsure shimasu. It's almost time to leave. Mata irashate kudasai. Please come again. Thanks for watching video. Please like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Mata ne.